Hello everybody, first prep. Today we are dealing with close-up, okay? Get ready, get your books, close-up, unit 6, page 70, okay? Close-up, unit 6, page 70. Get ready with your books, okay? Let's start. Whenever we start with any reading, the first step we do is just skimming the text. What does it mean? Just going quickly through the text to understand what it is about. I can do it by just looking at the title and the big questions here, and of course the picture. Once you have a look here, you can understand what the text is about. Have a look here and just tell me what is it about, or sorry, tell me what it is about, okay? If you have a look here, of course, here, once you have seen this word, you will understand that we are dealing with sports, okay? And by the word sport, we use the verb do with it. I say, do sports, okay? Okay. So now we skimmed the text and we understand that it is about sports, right? Okay. Let's scan the text. Scan, yes. What the meaning of scan? Scanning the text, just searching for specific information. I ask you a question about the text we have and just you look for the answers, okay? So here for A, we have only one question. Yes, what is paddleboarding? Yes, so here, just you go through the text quickly, searching for it. Yes, paddleboarding, what is it? Yes, it's so clear here. Yes, paddleboarding is the hardest adventure sport you will ever try. Very good. Yes. So it's so easy, I think. So scanning the text, just searching for specific information here. Just we wanted to know what do we mean by paddleboarding. It's the hardest adventure sport you will ever try. Okay. If you like surfing and rowing, you will definitely love this. Yes, but what is it exactly? What we do, you sit on your knees or lie on a board and use your arms to move over the water. This is paddleboarding sports, okay? Very good. Let's move to B, or the second one here. And of course, we have a question about it. When are scuba diving lessons available? Of course, it's not available during the whole year, but when exactly, we are going to know the answer from here. Have a look carefully and try to search for it and tell me the answer. Yes, when are scuba diving lessons available? Is it available during the whole year? I think, of course, not. Where is it? Yes, here it is. Lessons, yes, are available all year at local swimming pools. But there is a problem. What's the problem? They are expensive. Lessons are very expensive. Very good. So it is available at all year at local swimming pools. Yes. How many levels are in judo? Of course, here, as it is about sports, we are dealing with different kinds of sports. Yes, here it is about judo. How many levels are in judo? Yes, how many levels do we have in judo? Yes, have a look here and try to find it. How many levels we have? So I go through it quickly, just searching for how many levels we have. Yes, here it is. There are 7 levels. So in judo, we have 7 levels. Yes, very good. Excellent. What do you know about cycling? So now we move to cycling. Yes. What do you know about it? What do you know about cycling? Yes, have a look here and tell me what you know about it. Cycling, yes. So in other words, what do we mean by cycling, or what is cycling? Here it is. Cycling is an activity you can enjoy alone, or you can train and enter competitions. Very good. So whenever we scan the text, just we search for the information we need. Okay, very good. What do you need to practice skating? Yes, in order to practice skating, Of course, you will need something. What is it? What do you need? What do you need to practice skating? Yes. Have a look here and tell me what we need to practice skating. Yes. Yes, here it is. What do you need? You only need a pair of skates. Yes, that is what we need to practice skating. Very good. That's great. What is scurfing? Scurfing? Yes, scurfing. What do you mean by scurfing? Yes, have a look here and try to understand what it means. Yes. It's an exciting sport, yes, but I don't understand what does it mean. It's an exciting new sport that combines what? Water skiing and surfing. So it is a combination, yes, of what? Water skiing and surfing, okay, and surfing. Water skiing and surfing, that's why we call it scurf, okay? Water skiing and surfing, it became scurfing. Yes, very good. When can you practice snowboarding? Yes, when can you practice snowboarding? And I think without having a look here, you can understand or guess the answer. And it is about snow. Yes, of course, it will be in winter, right? Yes, fast and exciting snowboarding is one of the coolest winter sports, so we can practice it in coolest winter. Yes. What's special about handball? What is special about handball? Yes. Have a look here, try to search for it, go through it quickly. Yes, of course, here I think we have many things for handball. Yes, so here, good ball skills are important, yes. It needs great coordination, yes. It can be played indoors or outdoors, yes. So what is special about it? So we can practice handball or play handball indoors or outdoors. Very good, that's great. Let's move to the exercises. Now, exercise C, page 72. Complete the word groups with these words. Okay, I'll give you seconds to think of the answers. Okay, think carefully, try to answer it yourself, and then I will show you the answers and you can check it and give yourself marks. Okay, net, cap, referee, stick, team, tournament, track. Okay, they are 7. Ready? Okay, try to answer it and give yourself marks. Let's see the answers here. Number 1, referee. Number 2, track. Number 3, stick. Number 4, cap. Number 5, net. Number 6, team. And the last one, tournaments. Okay, now give yourself marks, okay? Let's move to the second exercise here, page 72, exercise D. Choose the correct answers, okay, from 1 to 7. Okay. Try to answer it. Okay, ready? Ready to see the answers? Give yourself marks out of 7, 1 mark for each lesson, okay? Here, number 1, line judge. Number 2, track. Number 3, rocket. Number 4, helmet. Number 5, team. Number 6, match. And the last one, goal post. Okay, very good. Exercise B, page 76. You can do it as a homework and a quiz at the same time. Okay, you can have it as a homework and a quiz at the same time. Why quiz? Because after finishing your answers, you can check the answers and give yourself marks. And as usual, we have all the answers in the following slides. Free diving, the big blue. Okay, exercise B, page 76. Okay, somebody can ask, what we are going to do here? You are going to use these words here, but you will correct the form of these words. Okay, you are going to correct the form of the word and use it here in the spaces. Okay, you got what you are going to do? You are going to use these words here, but we are going to correct the form of each one. Okay? There are 10, yes. Shall we start checking the answers? Number 1, definition. Number 2, compete. Number 3, assistance. Number 4, freedom. Number 5, followers. Number 6, concentrate. Number 7, depth. Number 8, supervision. 9, dangerous. Number 10, properly. Okay, they are out of 10. Give yourself marks, and now you know how many marks you got out of 10, each one for 1 mark, okay? Exercise C, page 76. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words from the table in A. Okay, my trainers always says if you are going to do something, you should always do it. Yes. How can you get the answer? From the last exercise we had, if you remember. Which one? This one. Yes, from these words, or yes, from these words here. Define or definition, competition or compete or whatever, assist or assistance, free or freedom, or as you are going to change the form of these words. So in this exercise, you are going to deal or use these words and you will change the form of it, okay? Very good. So you are going to take from these words in order to answer exercise C, page 76. And as usual, if you remember, after finishing it, you will have all the answers in the following slide. It is out of 10, 1 mark for each question, okay? So here is the answers, as you are going to check it and give yourself mark out of 10, okay? Very good. Now we come to the end of our session. Thank you and goodbye.